Halit, my brother, good evening.
Good evening.
At the beginning of our conversation, a few words about the history of the surname Chemisho. What do you know about it?
Well, actually, I really do not have enough information about the specific meaning of my surname, but uh, as far as I know, my surname is involving a very big, big family, let's say, and my grandfather's surname is coming from there, and my grandmothers are coming from Ubuh family, and we have some also relatives that we are contacting with some relatives in Adige Republic also. So although I really don't know the meaning of my surname, I'm really proud of being a Çemişo.
What's the name of our father and your paternal grandparents?
Okay, my father name is Hashmet, and also my uncle's name is Abdul Kadir, which you already know him, and also my grandfather's name is Ibrahim. He's also very famous in the homelands, and that's all. They're very famous.
What family names do your mother, your father's mother,
My father's mother.
your mother, and your father's mother?
My mother is also coming from Abzeh family, and I really forget the name.
Okay.
But my father's mother is, as I told you, is an Ubuh. Is from Ubuh, and she has some also very famous stories
Yes.
that she told us.
Your wife's family name. What's your daughter's name?
Let me begin with the last question. My daughter's name is Sinamis-Azra, and we decided to give two names, one from the Черкес name, one from the local names. Sinamis-Azra. That's why the name is Sinamis-Azra, and my wife's surname is Hатko, and she's also from Samsun, and she's also very fanatic Черкес.
Good, excellent.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to the Caucasus, the homeland of ancestors?
Not yet, but we have a plan to come to visit you for the first time, to visit you in the summertime, at the end of the summertime, at the end of August. And also we are making some plans to our homelands also. But within this year, we will be visited all of them.
And the Caucasus people say that every name has its own character. What, in your opinion, the character of the people bearing surname Chemisho?
If I would know the specific meaning, I could tell you more. But for example, my name, apart from the surname, my name is Halit, and my grandfather gave this name to me. Although my father decided on a different name, he decided to give this name, and I really believe that the people are having the character of the name. So it's true for me. For example, Halit means the guy that has not beaten and that won many victories. So I think I'm having the character of my name, I'm sure I'm having the character of my surname too.
Halit, what is you happiness and is you family happy?
For me, the happiness means family and relatives. So if you have a family and if you are happy in the family, that means you are happy and you don't need anything more. For me, and being happy in the family, for being happy in the family, the respect is the first rule. So if you respect your wife, if you respect even your child and they respect to you, that's the point. That's the only point.
Today you are a successful businessman. Tell me, how did you come to be successful in business?
Actually, I'm at the beginning of the road. I cannot say that I'm the most successful or I'm very successful. But for me, for my business, I'm in a machine sector, selling machines, importing and exporting machines. And the most important point is relations. If you are good at the relations, if you have good communication skills, 100% you will be successful. And thanks to my wife, we learned how to save money, how to spend money.
What countries do you do business with, and what are your plans for the near future? Near future.
Okay, I'm making business with Finland, Italy, Germany, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, and also Tajikistan. And my next plan is to extend my business with different machine types, and we have some target countries depending on the new products. So we are planning to make some exports to North Africa and Middle Asia and Middle East countries, especially Turkish origin countries such as Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan are our priorities. And I hope in the near future I will have to have any chance to make any business, not for making money or profit, just to have relations with my relatives, let's say, at the Caucasia also. That's also important for me.
What country and the world, what do you like to live and why?
Actually, of course, first of all, I need to see where my ancestors live, and I'm sure that I will like this peace and nature at there. And I'm a worldman, so I can adapt anywhere without any problem. But of course, apart from the business, I'm a father, so quite calm and safe. A safe country, of course, is our priority.
What do you think is the real and greatest wealth in life?
Of course, I will repeat myself maybe, but for me, family. For example, you can have very luxury cars, you can have very luxury houses, but without a family, it has no meaning for me. If you have only one bread and if you can share with your wife, with your children, in a peace, ambition, that's really important, and that's a big wealth for me.
Халит, я знаю, что ты изучаешь русский язык. Каковы успехи и что ты можешь сказать по-русски?
Actually, I want to speak Russian, but I really need a little bit practice because I was in Kazakhstan, you know, for 2 years, nearly 2 years. At that times, I was speaking Russian without any problem, and at that times we met for the first time. But now I just a little bit forget. So next time we meet, I promise that I will speak with make a Russian.
Ну, я понял,
interview.
понял. Ну, чуть-чуть скажи по-русски. Поздоровайся.
Как
Поздоровайся с нашими зрителями. Добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер. Как дела? Хорошо. Пока. Давай. Хватит. That's all.
Спасибо за беседу, брат.
Пожалуйста.
Всего наилучшего. Успехов твоему бизнесу. И, конечно же, счастья твоей семье.
Спасибо.